What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna do a quick leather iPhone case unboxing. I just got the iPhone last week. I left the plastic on because I didn't have a case yet and I ordered one. So here we go. Alright, this is the black leather official iPhone case. The packaging's pretty bare. Does say Apple at the bottom. I'm not sure if this one will come out, but that's the official iPhone SE case. Let's open it up. Alright. Looks like it slides out here. There we go. It slides out like that. And the back is sort of furry or whatever. The other back feels leather. I thought it'd be more leathery, but still pretty leathery. More plastic feeling leather than leather, but it does say iPhone in it. It does have the official Apple symbol on the back. Cool. So in the box, all there is some instructions on how to put this on. May help some people. I guess not put it in upside down, but put this on my phone. Alright, so I'm just popping in the size now. Sort of weird about it is it's got, okay, that's for the light and everything. It's the back, that, and that. So it does look like it keeps the camera lifted. You got the button access on both sides, and basically it feels good in the hand. It's not gonna slide anymore. That's how the black and red looks on the sides. It's just basically red buttons. That's all you can see. And just on the bottom, you know, it's red iPhone SE. But other than that, this could just be a black phone, basically. Other than that back. But I didn't realize I color coded for the video. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. In case you're looking out for the case, it looks a little bit more leathery online, but still feels good. It says natural leather on the back, so I'm assuming it's real. At least cost me, I believe, 40 bucks or so. See you on the next video. Take it easy.